Hello, beautiful people.
Hi. Today we are at Burger King.
Burger King.
Again.
She's gonna try Spongebob Whopper. Whopper or Whopper? Whopper. Burger King Spongebob. Oh my God! Can you open it and see? Show it what is inside.
You will know what I'm talking about if you watch SpongeBob, because it says SpongeBob's Krabby Whopper with cheese. Krabby Patty. Whoa!
What? Can I hold it and show it to them?
What the heck?
Yellow. Huh? Can you make a face extra like for thumbnail? Come here. So look at that. Yellow bread. Oh my God, SpongeBob.
I was not expecting this.
Okay, do you want to try it? Come closer.
It tastes like burnt for some reason.
How is it?
It just tastes like normal.
What is that? Can you show them? How is the sandwich? How is the sandwich?
It's super good.
Super good? Try it again. I'm gonna try the bread first. That's delicious bread. What? You can eat this for breakfast. It's really good, the bread, with cream cheese and honey. Is it good?
I suddenly want more.
I'm gonna give you half of this sandwich. You have to finish it. First time eating SpongeBob sandwich. That is good. Even they have a SpongeBob crown. Oh my God, this is very good. I will eat that again. That's SpongeBob.
Me too. I want to order it next time.
I will. And the size is big, it's not small.
But since we already made a video of this, we won't make the video again.
Yeah. Look at this one. So, this is kids' meal. Look how small is that.
I didn't think it was going to be this small. And that's why... This is a kids' meal? What? Guys, I don't think I'm going to order this today. This is too small. Nobody... I mean, it's going to be good, but then when you eat it, you want more, so it's not good. In a way. Any sauce? You didn't order
Ketchup
sauce.
and sauce over there on the table. Can you open them?
No. First I'm gonna put it in this.
Oh my God, I love Diet Coke. Refreshing.
It is, but...
Texas Whopper. That's a Texas Whopper. Yeah.
You didn't say it.
No, that's Texas. I ordered Texas Whopper. And look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my God! Look at double Texas Whopper with bacon. See the bacon? I'm gonna eat the bacon.
Yum.
I'm gonna eat the bacon first. Mm. That is beautiful. Could you please open this for me and put it in my sandwich? Because I'm gonna add some fry, American style. Mm.
It's not American.
Mm. American style, Texas.
Not American style.
Okay, our, my style. Texas Whopper.
I have to keep telling you it's not American.
Mm.
Even in the last video I told you.
Mm. Don't forget to eat your
Right.
fry. And don't forget to eat your Spongebob.
I won't.
Texas Whopper. Ah. Mm. Ah. Diet Coke, please, Liana. Mm. If you can. If
Because
you can.
you always have to end the video when I don't finish food.
Because I'm recording, I cannot go and bring Diet Coke. When you're ready, go. Not now. Mm. Thank you.
Time for my Spongebob
So,
Bobby Whopper.
Can you hold the other side so I can go that side? I go. Okay. You see, working together, working together, opening ketchup. Mmm. Look at that, Texas Whopper. Mmm. Wow. That's so good, Liana. They put some jalapeno, make it a little bit spicy. It's so good. But I don't think Liana like too much spicy. A little bit, right?
But one time,
Mm-hmm.
um,
Oh my God, Coca-Cola, huh?
I told my mom that I love spicy. And do you know how I proved it to her?
Mm.
Hot sauce can.
No, that's gonna hurt your tummy. Don't do that next time. Never eat spicy sauce raw. That is bad.
Yeah, well, I didn't know.
Mm.
Everybody, bye.
Mm.
Bye.
Why?
Because you did that to me.
No, hey.